Here's a practice video to learn the strumming pattern for Noah Cyrus's July. So the pattern is down, down, up, down, down. That's ta, ti, ti, ta, ta. So we got that pattern on an A minor. Down, down, up, down, down. Now switch to C. Down, down, up, down, down. Now switch to F. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. So that F was a different pattern. The F went 1, 2, 3, 4, or ta, ti, 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 ta, ti, 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 ti. We repeat this back to the A minor. We go down, down, up, down, down, C, down, up, down, down, F, down, up, down, up, down, up, ta, ti, 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 ti. Okay, so this is the main pattern that repeats throughout the song. You can add a little more energy by giving some nail or, pulling a little harder on some strings. I was doing a pretty mellow thumb strum drag where none of this, you didn't see any of this happening with my hand, right? It's just my thumb dragging up and down the strings. Now let's check out some of the nuances of the song to add some of those passing tones that give the cool bass line. So what happens is on the fourth beat of the bar, we can insert a passing tone on the bass. So we've got A, B, C, F. A, B, C. So let's try that out. We've got there's the A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, F. And let's just do that bass line. A, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's try that again. So I'm going to pull the bass note, right? I'm not going to strum the whole set of strings. I'm just doing the bass note on the first count. So down, down, up, down, B, C, down, up, down, down, now F. I can stick in a B right here too on the way back to the A. Let's run through that one more time. So we got A minor, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down. Now you don't have to do it the same way every time. You saw the last time I changed the pattern a little. That's up to you. You don't want to repeat that bass line like every time. You don't need that sequence every time. You need some variety there too. Okay, thanks. I hope that helps.